everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I've been back in the US for, almost 2 months now, and time has been flying. And so I have not been active on my YouTube channel, but I'm here for you guys. I've been so busy creating content for brands that I absolutely love. I'm creating Amazon shoppable videos. I need to get some of those on my YouTube channel. Blah, 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 blah. I am here with another Thrive Market haul for you because I love Thrive Market so very much. If you're not familiar with Thrive, it's an annual membership for online grocery shopping. And you get really healthy, clean, great foods for discounted prices from Thrive, shipped right to your door, which is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna show you my most recent haul, and we're gonna talk about the things I got. This Kettle and Fire bone broth is my absolute favorite. So it's bone broth, if you don't know, is very healthy for you. It's got a lot of protein, collagen, etc., etc. Some people will just sip it like a hot tea situation. That's not my bag. I like to use it for a soup. Just like pan fry up some veggies and then I pour this over it and ta-da, I have a soup. Sometimes I'll throw in some chunks of chicken and sometimes not. I always stock up on my bone broth when I order from Thrive. Also, Chomp's beef sticks. Chomp's beef sticks are really good. They're a nice, clean, again, source of protein. The theme of this box is going to be protein because I'm really trying to increase my protein intake as thoughtfully as possible because it's really hard to eat enough protein in the day. Hemp, chia, and flax seeds. So if you eat yogurt, this is a really good yogurt topping. If you do salads, I will sprinkle this over the top of my salad. You don't even really get a lot of taste, but you're getting a lot of health benefits here. So on the same note, whether it's yogurt or salads or what have you, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are another really great nutritional punch. Again, the theme is nutrition. I've got nutritional yeast, which I will just sprinkle over top my salads. If you make popcorn, you can give it a sprinkle of that, and it's almost like a cheesy flavor. Super healthy. Now, I was doing a random reading about salt recently, and I read that Redmond real salt is the absolute best. I think I learned about it from my cupcake girl, Melissa's Cupcakes. Oh my God, why is her name escaping me? Anyway, my cupcake girl was talking about salt. She does a lot of cooking in the kitchen. She's always using really clean, wholesome ingredients. I actually thought this was going to be chunk salt for my grinder, but it's ready to use salt. But either way, really great brand of salt. Not all salt is created equal. Okay, so one of the reasons that I absolutely love shopping with Thrive, if you've seen my videos before, is always they have great free gifts with purchase. I will always load my cart up with products that are ready to go, so as soon as they drop a good gift with purchase, I go and place my order. And this time, it was a kind of coffee bean that has lion's mane mushroom and yacon. I don't even know what yacon is, but this is a Four Sigmatic organic coffee. It is whole beans. The coffee maker that I have grinds the beans freshly before brewing. It's a pretty cool coffee maker. It's a Cuisinart. But anyway, blah, blah, blah. This was my free gift with purchase. So that was a $22 value or something. So I was like, yes, please. I love a free gift. Another thing that I absolutely love about Thrive Market is how thoughtfully packaged everything is that you get. So this is more of my bone broth. I had pre-unwrapped some of the things and then I remembered I was gonna make the video, so I didn't unwrap everything. So as you can see, yes, this is more bone broth. And the other part of my free gift with purchase. Okay, so the free gift with purchase was the coffee as well as a cashew creamer. So I got both of these things for free. And altogether, this was maybe, I don't know, like a $70 order because the chomps and the bone broth are not cheap, but totally worth it. But this, together, the free gift with purchase was like a $32 value. So great deal, right? Now, obviously the free gifts are not things that I would normally buy for myself, but it's a great way to like try out something new. So this is a cashew creamer, cinnamon churro. I'm not even a big coffee drinker, but once in a while, I like to have an iced coffee in the afternoon. And because I'm not a big coffee drinker, it really gets me going. And that's my Thrive order. Now, it is summertime, so it's hard for me to order my favorite chocolates, but I have a few left over from my last order. I'll show you. I keep them in the fridge because they're such a delicious treat. But if you have never tried the Unreal chocolates, they have, these are basically like an Almond Joy. Well, I guess a Mounds, right? Because there's no almonds in it, but it's a coconut bar and it is so freaking delicious. And it's just a cleaner, healthier version than getting the actual candy bar. They also have Unreal, you know, like peanut M&Ms, knockoffs, dupes, I don't know, healthier version of peanut M&Ms. Anything from Unreal is delicious. I love the treats so much. When it's super hot in Florida, even though you can get like a frozen order here shipped because they ship with cold packs or whatnot, they don't do the chocolate when it's super duper hot, and I'm not mad at it because I don't want a melty mess arriving to my doorstep. So I appreciate that thoughtfulness. Anyway, this is my Thrive Market haul. And I have a coupon code. I'm gonna drop my link below. If you use my coupon code link, you will get a discount and I will get free credit, and I love free. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed seeing my Thrive Market haul, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss another Jessica Posh video. Thanks for watching.